Damn guys, it has been way too long since I posted the last video. A lot of shit has happened the last couple months, and I'm gonna explain everything, so just stick with me for a little bit. Since you saw the thumbnail, you can tell I got a new truck. Technically my wife did actually, but we traded in her car and we got a new Taco. So let me show you that real quick. Alright, here it is, our new truck. It is a 2016 Tacoma double cab. Loving the white though. Never thought I'd have a white truck, but this one looks pretty nice. Already has a awesome tonneau cover. Tiger, never heard of it, but I would recommend it. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see.
So since we got this truck, I'm gonna sell my other one, the 2001 red one that I got into the fender bender on the highway with. It's still in good shape and it runs, so hopefully I can get a fair price out of it. But now I'm going to tell you the really big news. And some of you who are watching, some of my friends and everything, you already know what I'm going to say. But to my YouTube family, here it is. Here it is. My wife Cassandra and I are moving to Phoenix, Arizona. And very shortly, actually. The reason why I haven't been able to post is because we have been working for the last 2 months at least on getting our house ready to be sold. It's not an easy thing by any means, as probably a lot of you know, moving 1,500 miles away. We've been selling a ton of stuff and getting our house ready, working on it, making it better, the best that it can be. A couple days ago, we actually put it on the market finally, and coming up here in a couple days, we're going to be taking offers on it, and we expect a pretty quick sell. So possibly 30 days from that, we might be in Phoenix. So we are super excited to just start a new chapter of our lives and go out there and just go on new adventures and everything. I'm super excited because the car scene out there is way better than it is here in Michigan, especially for my channels, and is for like tuners and FRS and 86s, and there's a ton of them out there. We took a trip out there last fall and I saw a ton of 86s and similar style cars. I'm excited to go to all the car shows and all that and bring you guys along. But yeah, we just cannot wait. So please stick with me. I know I haven't posted in a while, but hopefully here in a little bit I can post some more stuff. Maybe in between now and actually moving. I actually have a ton of stuff planned for the FRS. I have some stuff just sitting in my garage right now. But I have not been able to get to it. And any day that I've had off in the last month, I feel like it's been raining or I got some other shit I got to do. But hopefully I can post something here soon on the FRS. We got 1 or 2 things we want to do to Sean's TC as well, if you guys been following that at all. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited as I am. So with that big announcement, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Please stick with me, bear with me. It's gonna be a little bit. The posting schedule, I normally do it on Fridays around noon or so. That is out the window at the moment. I am going to post whenever I can, so make sure you just hit that bell on the side and you'll be notified when it happens. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I got a lot of cool shit planned, and I cannot wait to start posting stuff from Phoenix. I got so much stuff I want to do out there. Thank you, and have a great day, and catch you later.
Go on and hate me, because I do what I do. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to prove. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to lose.